Hi everyone, welcome to Tagalog Expressions. Translate to English. Are you ready? Butas ang bulsa? In English, money is burning a hole in my pocket. Example, botas ang bulsa ko pagkatapos kong matanggap ang sweldo ko. The money is burning a hole in my pocket after getting my salary. Mabigat ang kamay? In English, heavy-handed. Meaning, masyadong marahas o malakas gumamit ng kamay. Example, mabigat ang kamay niya kapag galit siya. He's very heavy-handed when he's angry. Depending on context, heavy-handed can also mean using too much force or being overly strict. Mahaba ang pasensya. English, very patient, has a lot of patience. Meaning, mahaba ang pasensya sa ibang tao. Example, mahaba ang pasensya ng guro namin. Our teacher is very patient. In natural English, very patient is more common than directly translating the idiom. Makapalang mukha? English, shameless, thick-skinned. Meaning, hindi madaling mahiya o hindi alintana ang sasabihin ng ibang tao. Example, makapal talaga ang mukha niya, she's really shameless. Or if you mean someone isn't easily embarrassed, example, she's very thick-skinned. Hindi siya madaling mahiya or maapektuhan sa sinasabi ng iba. Nasa alanganin? English, in a difficult situation, in a tight spot. Meaning, nasa mahirap o delikadong sitwasyon. Example, he's in a tight spot at work right now. Nasa alanganin ng trabaho niya ngayon. Nagbibilang ng poste. English, looking for a job, unemployed. Example, nagbibilang siya ng poste pagkatapos mawala ng trabaho, he's unemployed and looking for a job. Naglalaro sa apoy? English, playing with fire, meaning gumagawa ng bagay na maaring magdulot ng problema o panganib. Example, naglalaro ka sa apoy kapag nagsisinungaling ka sa boss mo. You're playing with fire if you lie to your boss. This idiom is almost exactly the same in English. Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. English, where there's a will, there's a way. Meaning, kapag determinado ka at hindi ka sumusuko, makakahanap ka ng paraan para makamit ang gusto mo. Another example, don't give up. Where there's a will, there's a way. Makapaglibot. English, to get around. This expression has several meanings depending on the sentence. To travel or move from place to place. Example, I usually use the bus to get around the city. Karaniwan akong sumasakay ng bus para makapaglibot sa lungsod. We need to find a way to get around this problem. Kailangan nating humanap ng paraan para malutas ang problemang ito. Thank you for watching.